Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. As you can see here, I have everything set up for New Year's. I started a minute late, so I think I only have a second or two.
It's 3 a.m.
And it is 3 a.m. Let's activate everything. 3, 2, 1, Happy New Year's. That was very loud. Acknowledge that.
May I have your...
That was very loud. Well, at least everything worked. As you can see, I didn't really have time to explain it, but we have a 10UD with a bell with some advances on it. Rather than 7, I'll explain that later. It's not doing anything. Now we have the MS4 with a NS and a bell on it. This has 3 4906 true alerts on it, which is basically the loudest thing you heard. They were very loud. We have the 3030 with the voice evac. Yeah, this is normal. And then we have the 4100U with its true alerts. And there are a lot of strobes going off. So yeah, that's basically it. I was hoping to do a live stream this year, but I couldn't quite get it working because of my internet and all that stuff. But yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a lot shorter than normal, but this year I just didn't have enough time to do a longer video. And I'm also joined by some people on Discord, if they want to say they're here. Yeah, people on Discord there. If you want to be in next year's live stream, there's a Discord link in the description of this. So you can join the Discord server where the call is. Now I'm going to go ahead and reset all this, starting with the 4010, which... Oh god, there it goes. Alright. Starting with the 4010, it literally, for some reason, I set this up very quickly. There was like a ground fault or something with this module. So the only way to get it to reset is to give it a cold start, because it just aborts the reset because it thinks this thing's still an alarm. It's kind of weird. For the MS4, we have reset that. And there is a old smoke detector there. And the 3030 is very easy. We have the BG12 and BG12X. You can reset that. It's going to go back in supervisory because that's monitoring the 4100U for alarm. That's going to go in trouble. The 10UD is reset that. And reset it. That, like I said, it's not doing anything because I still need firmware for it. That's why it's been boot looping this entire time. You can acknowledge this. So yeah, like I was saying earlier, I didn't really have time to do the normal live stream and like introduction I normally do. So next year it'll be a lot better. Reset that. And reset that. So that should reset, and I can close the door on that. For some reason, I started having this problem earlier where the strobes, NAC1 down there, goes off on the 3030 whenever it's just supervisory. I was just doing some program changes, and I think I messed something up, so those strobes should shut off once the 4100 goes back to normal. Just like that. Maybe. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so that's basically it. Thank you for watching. And I will see you guys in the next video.